avoid throw-ins because this guy throws the ball ngathi uthatha free kick. Lento yakaModiba yakaMudau yokushaya abantu ngempama, it needs to come to an end. Look at this. So they lost against South Korea 2-1, right? Look at the space in here now. There's too much space. There's too much space. Bafethu bathu babajiwa bayadleka labantu laba. If we don't beat these guys, Hugo Boss must not come back. Just to show you, the ball is in the middle, but look at the space in between la. Yeah? Look at the space in between la. And this is not even a straight line. This is not even a straight line. Now let me play it. Yeah? Watch what happens. The ball is played where? In between there. Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you the strength and the weaknesses of the Czech Republic. Now, the problem is not the players, it's the coach, our coach. Inkinga now is Guti. This team plays the same formation as Mexico. So Hugo Bros might play the same formation again, right? Might play the same formation or might play the same players. This is Yakala foot as a whole, as a nation. Like for me, I would play our normal formation 4-2-3-1. But now these guys, they are very tall. I'm gonna show you because their strength is aerial, right? We need to avoid unnecessary free kicks. It needs to stop in this game. We need to avoid throw-ins in the final third. And okay, guys, I've been trying to do a video for World Cup, right? Problem is FIFA, no YouTube, they keep on blocking them. So hopefully you'll see the video there. So if you see any edit in editorial, if you cut video, just know Guti, it's not me, it's FIFA and YouTube. Now let's start. Avoid throw-ins because this guy throws the ball not to 30 free kick. He throws the ball not to 30 free kick. That's why I would play Ukapini on the left hand side, not because of he's better than Modiba, just because of height. It is very important, guys. It is very important when you play a team, you recognize this in this we saw. I'm a height difference isn't this injured because you don't want to be beaten across when you could have avoided Ufaka Umuntu. This team is very good on set pieces. Lento yakaModiba yokushaya abantu ngempama, it needs to come to an end. You can't avoid that. Look at this. So they lost against South Korea 2-1, right? Boom. Luckily for South Korea, this was offside. These guys are very dangerous. And in years, guys, as a South Africans or South African football, we are not good when it comes to defending set pieces. They were lucky. South Korea be lucky. We are not good in defending a set piece. Final clip, right? We have to avoid set pieces, throw-ins. Now let me show you their weakness. They are very weak. Why do I say Gutiba weak? It is because they play the 5 at the back, right? But I'll show you Guti. They leave space kakulu. I'll show you where. But another thing, Bate, and we all know it takes forever. Right? So for me, I wouldn't play a target man. I wouldn't play Umahopa or I wouldn't play Ufoster. I would play Ureinas. I'll play Ureinas because this is what they have to do. We have to play the ball into space behind the defenders because these guys, they are not fast. in them. If we're gonna try and play Ebola, if you're gonna try to play the ball into feet for a striker, it's not going to work. Let me show you how they set up. Now, these are the three at the back. The three set just like in Mexico. That's how we played against Mexico. But they always have a space in between there. I'll show you in another clip. Where they leave a space lah. It's just too much space. That's why we need Umuremi. They're gonna try and play. They're not good with playing. Pressure. Now we need Umuremi not to stay out there wide. Because you see now, that person doesn't recover. That person, the wing back is too far. So we need players that are speedy. We need Umuremi. Even if Umasego doesn't start, but we need Umuremi down the left-hand side. Another example, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the space in between lab to lab. There's too much space. There's too much space. If it's possible, yes, they can play Umasego. But now, Umasego must not get the ball to feet Njalo. Right? So he must always, most of the time, we have to play the ball espacing Akichi. But in the middle, yes, Umufukeng needs to play. He needs to start. Now, just watch. The space that side. These guys, they give space. They give too much space between their center, the three center backs. The three center backs, kuba spaces. We have to capitalize lab. Another one. Watch here. What will happen? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the center back. It's 3 center backs. This guy, Wenzani, we are pressala. But now, I want you to watch here what's gonna happen. Look at the space in here now. There's too much space. There's too much space. If we don't beat these guys, Hugo Boss must not come back. No, guys, the ball is in the middle, just to show you. The ball is in the middle. But look at the space in between. Look at the space in between. And this is not even a straight line. Now let me play it. Watch what happens. The ball is played where? In between there. Abafethu Maramona arkhutla 3 points. Mona. Final clip. Bese ngiyayivala. South Korea, right? Should have won this game maybe by 5. Watch again. Space. There. Yadliwa lokugin. Phakathi. Inside. Guys, I think out of all the 3 teams, this is Mexico, Czech, and South Korea. This is the weakest team because the South Koreans, they are dangerous. But we have to win this game. Yes, abanye abantu I heard Batibazo, they could play Umbata no Mukwena in the middle. But I would play Adams because Adams can play 1 touch, can play 2 touch. We need combination play. We need to pume fast. Umfukeng does not like to run with the ball. Can easily pass the ball. Magadala is the 10. Pass the ball to Horseman there on the left hand side, Umurem, because he likes to run. But we have to win this game. If they don't win this game, Ababu. Even if Badali draw, the 3rd game is Siaba 3 points. Ababu. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Thank you for support once again. Nyabonga.